Will BYD be able to control the European EV market? BYD has made inroads into the European EV market for some time, particularly with electric buses. Here's a breakdown of their European presence. Established presence. BYD Europe is headquartered in the Netherlands and has sold electric buses in over 20 European countries and 100 major cities. Growing focus on cars. Their recent partnerships with major distributors in Switzerland and Greece indicate a push towards the European electric car market. Sponsorship play. BYD's role as the official partner for UEFA. Euro 2024 with their electric vehicles is a strategic move to gain brand recognition and promote their sustainability focus in Europe. Whether they can compete strongly remains to be seen. Here are some factors to consider. Competition. The European EV market is already crowded with established players like Tesla and Volkswagen and emerging Chinese brands like NIO. Brand recognition. BYD may not be as well known as some competitors, especially for cars. Product suitability. Their success will depend on whether their electric car models align with European style, range, and feature preferences. To sum up, BYD has a strong foundation in Europe with electric buses and is making strategic moves to enter the car market. Their success will depend on effectively navigating the competitive landscape and offering compelling electric car options to European consumers. Whether you agree or not with BYD's new objective to dominate the EV vehicle market in Europe, please share your viewpoints in the comment box below. Thank you for hitting the like button, subscribing to my channel, and sharing my videos with your friends.